A lot of blood, sweat, and tears have gone into this career of mine. I don't think you get successful to brag and throw what you have in the world's face. That's all private. I didn't work hard to sit down and not work. You can do the same thing with $20 million that you would do with $50 million. So at a certain point in your life and in your career, you realize that it's not about the money. No matter what, people grow. If you chose not to grow, you are staying in a small box with a small mindset. People who win go outside of that box. It's very simple when you look at it. Everybody wants to be famous, but nobody wants to do the work. I live by that. You grind hard so you can play hard. At the end of the day, you put all the work in, and eventually it'll pay off. It could be in a year, it could be in 30 years. Eventually, your hard work will pay off. My experiences in life are getting bigger and better. The more stuff I do, the more stuff I talk about, having kids, traveling, going through relationship problems, dealing with things in my own family. All that stuff builds character. A reputation as a hard worker is a good reputation to have. You definitely want your kids to understand their heritage, but I don't want my kids to just focus on being black. They are people. I don't want them to judge other people or to be judged. I want them to be good people, so good people will treat them accordingly. I preach that to my kids and everything else falls into place. The day you stop doing the small things is the day you think you're above everybody else. Laughter heals all wounds, and that's one thing that everybody shares. No matter what you're going through, it makes you forget about your problems. I think the world should keep laughing. My main goal is to be a self-made man and have control over what's mine. I am who I am. That's why my friends and peers respect and appreciate me. I don't change or cater my actions to fit my surroundings. I'm myself 24/7. People appreciate that. This younger generation that's around, that's tweeting, Facebooking, and Vining, the fans appreciate that because they feel like they can get to you. I can get where some scientists would say comedians are crazy. What you have to understand, a lot of comedians are dealing with a dark passion. A lot of these are guys coming from a tumultuous life, including myself. Some people need outlets, a way to express yourself. The two things in the world we all share in this world are laughter and pain. We've all got problems. The levels of those problems vary, but we've all got problems. When you can take things that are painful and make them funny, that's a gift to you and your audience. I don't care how busy I am, I will always make time for what's most important to me. Everything is an open book. I don't speak on other people's hardship, but if it happened in my life or something that has been an experience on my particular journey, I'm going to talk about it. That's what my fan base appreciates the most. I'm universal. You can relate to the things I say or that I go through. I never do anything that I don't want to do. I feel like whatever you've done in your career, good or bad, it's nothing but preparation for the big events to come. I stayed true to my dreams, and eventually they came true. Everybody that's successful lays a blueprint out. You get one life. I'm going to embrace mine.